Are you a writer, designer, marketer, or content creator and want to know how to generate creative ideas with ChatGPT? Hi guys, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, we are going to see how to generate creative ideas with ChatGPT. So if you are a writer, marketer, or content creator, this video is for you. So how to generate creative ideas with ChatGPT? So here are 2 points through which you can follow to generate creative ideas. So number one is to use prompts. So what are prompts? Prompts are like text templates which you can use on your own way. So if you get a ChatGPT output, consider it a starting point for idea generation, not a just final decision. So if we ask ChatGPT, are you a trustworthy? Let's ask this what it responds. As you can see, as an AI language model, I don't have possess personal beliefs, intention I can provide me. You can see it is an AI tool, so it is not a trustworthy. So you have to make it editing its responses, and its responses are not final drafts. So you have to proofread or edit. So let's see how to use prompts to generate creative ideas with ChatGPT. If you see below, here is a prompts. So it is like a text template. So in front of topic, you will put your own topic. You can see for the above topic, brainstorm new angle ideas and approaches, prioritize ideas that are uncommon, new, or novel. So if we, for example, put our own topic, so if you are a content creator or cameraman, and let's see, ask ChatGPT how to shoot like a pro. So let's ask this question to ChatGPT. Certainly, here are some new and novel angle ideas and approaches for shooting like a pro. You can see it is suggesting an amazing points and ideas for a content creator. You can follow them, or you can consider them as a starting point, and then you can make them editing. So if you are a marketer, let's ask ChatGPT about marketing. Suggest a new marketing tactics in 2023. In 2023, the marketing landscape continues to evolve rapidly, driven by advancement in technology and changing consumer behaviors. So ChatGPT is generating a response for us, and you can see it responded well. Voice search optimization, influencer. So in my opinion, it responded well. So you can use it on your own way. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, like the video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.